Presenting manual-operated sanitary napkin vending machine under the brand name of Relikyo, manufactured by VP Industries. Sanitary napkin vending machine is an ATM machine used for dispensing sanitary pads anytime in emergency. Storage capacity of 100 pads and can be loaded off any size trifold. Small, medium, large. Dimensions: length 525 millimeters, breadth 150 millimeters, height 625 millimeters, weight 13 kg. Machine mechanism: manual operated coin acceptor, inspection window, door lock, napkin collection point, wall mountable, metal finish powder coated body. Operating mechanism: by inserting 5 rupees coin, rotate of the knob at 360-degree direction and get the napkin. Box component and accessories: 100 sanitary pads, mounting accessories, door lock keys, user manual. Usage areas of napkin vending machine: urban and rural development areas, college and schools, hospital, corporate offices. Thanks for connecting us.